Assalamu alaikum, welcome to SAT practice. So today we are going to do the second part of defined operations or function. So let's start with this question. So here we have square x is x plus 2 times x for all x. They ask us to find out what the value of square x plus 2 minus square x minus 2. So here we have square x is x plus 2 times x, which means square of something is that thing plus 2 times the same thing. So here my thing here is x plus 2. So I'm going to substitute this x plus x plus 2. Here is x minus 2. I'm going to substitute this x by x minus 2 and the same thing here. So here I will do one by one. So the first one is x plus 2 plus 2. So this is my substitution. So I'm going to substitute this x by x plus 2. So here is going to be x plus 2 times x here will be x plus 2 minus, and here we have this x will be x minus 2. So it's going to be x minus 2 plus 2 times x minus 2. Now I just use the other operation and evaluate this expression. So here is going to be x plus 4 times x plus 2. Here this is cancelled out, minus x times x minus 2. So here distribute, so I get x squared plus 4x plus 2x plus 8 minus x squared plus 2x. Now minus x squared cancel out. So here 4x plus 2x is 8x plus 8. So we have 8 as a common factor, which is E here. So next question. Fact is theta, which is the Greek alphabet, is capital theta. So x is x square root of y minus 2x. So the first one times square root of the second one minus the second one minus twice the first one. So here they ask me to find out the value for x. Let's make this expression equal to minus y for all y. So what I do, I solve these equations for x. So I got x y equal minus y. Then I substitute this expression by the value that was given to us. So here is going to be x square root of y minus 2x equal minus y. I will add y both sides because I'm solving for x. So this is cancelled out. X square root of x minus 2x equal 0. We have x here. I'll take x as common factor. So this is y. Sorry. I take x as common factor. So it's going to be square root of y minus 2 equals 0. The product of two numbers is 0 if one of them is 0. Because I'm looking for x, I'm going to just make x equal 0. So the answer is A. The next one. So here we have x diamond y equals square root of x y. So here they ask me to find out the value of 2 diamond 8 minus 3 diamond 3. So here we have x diamond y equals square root of x y. So 2 diamond 8 minus 3 diamond 3. So I just take the first times the second and take the square root. So here's going to be square root of the first times the second minus square root of the first times the second. So it's going to be square root of 16 minus square root of 9. This is 4 minus 3 and it's 1, which answer is B. Next one. Here we have capital phi. So 1 phi A is 1 and A phi B is B phi A. So for all A and B. So here they ask me which one is true, and they give me the choice here, either the first one, second, third, or 1 and 2, and 1, 2, or 3 and 3. So let's start with the first one. Let's see if it's true or not. So we know that A phi A is 1, and we have A phi B is B phi A. So we have those two properties. So if I have A phi 1 phi A is 1, and we know that A phi B is B phi A, that means the same thing. 1 phi A is the same thing as A phi 1, because if this is 1, so you see. So which means if this is equal to 1, this means A phi 1 will be 1. So this means the first one is true. Now for the second one. So you see that statement is very important. A phi A equal 1 phi A is equal to 1 for any A. That means for any A, for any number, 1 phi A is 1. So you have to be very careful on this. So let's start with the second one. So we have 1 phi B phi C is equal to what? 1 phi B, you see, I can substitute A by B here. 1 phi B is 1, so it's going to be 1 phi C. And if I substitute A with C, so it's going to be 1. Now we have 1 phi B phi C. 1 phi any number is 1. So because A can be A is true. Now 1 over B phi 1 same thing as 1 phi B. And we know 1 phi B is 1. So it's going to be 1 over 1, which is E is my answer. Next. So you have the operation, either addition, subtraction, multiplication, or we don't know. But it gives us this hint. So we know that 1 theta 1 is 1 and 0 theta 0 is 0. So which operation has this property? So it's multiplication. 1 times 1 is 1 and 0 times 0 is 0. So if I have pi, the square root of 2, because this is multiplication, it's going to be pi times square root of 2. That's all. So the answer is C. All right, next one. So here we have number. So here we have this condition. So if x is greater than y, so x number y will be x minus y square. If x is less or equal than y, we have x number y is x plus y over 4. They ask me to find out what is 4 number 12. So this is the question. What is 4 number 12? So what I need to do first, I need to say, okay, which one is bigger? You see, this is x, this is y. That means this first one is x and this one is y. I'm going to see which condition I'm going to use, either the first one or second one. I know that x is 4, 12. X is less than 4 is less than 12. So I'm going to use the second operation. So 4, 12 is 4 plus 12 over 4, which is 4 plus 3, which is 7. The answer is B. Next question. I'm dealing with the same concept here. So they ask me if x number y equal minus y, which the following is true? Either x equal y, x greater than y, or x less than y. All right, let's start with the first one, if it's true or not. So if x is equal to y, so I know I have x number y is equal to x minus y square if x is greater than y. You see, there is no equal sign involved here. So I cannot use this first expression because there is no equal sign. So I'm going to try to do the second one. So x number y is equal to x plus y over 4 if x is greater or equal than y. So here we have equal signs. I'm going to use this property because I'm dealing with the first one, x equal y. So if x equal y, that means I will have what here? X. So it's going to be x number x is equal minus y. I substitute x number x by this property, so it's going to be x plus x over 4 equal minus 1. So I make common denominator or multiply the whole thing by 4. So I will get 4x plus x equal minus 5. It's possible to have x if we choose x equal minus 4 over 5 and y equal minus 4 over 4. We will have x equal minus 1. So the first one is possible if x is greater than y. Then I will have what? X minus y minus y square. This is impossible because we need that positive. So last part, x is less than y. So if x less than y, I'm going to pick two numbers. So if by the way, if x less than y, we have x, here. I said here wrong. It's less than. So if x and y, so I'm going to pick s. So is it possible if I choose x 2 and I choose y equal 8, for example? So equal minus 2. Oh, I choose 4, by the way, sorry. I pick 4 here. I have 4 plus 1, which is minus 1. So minus 2 and y equal 4. It's possible to have x the third one. So that means I will have 1 and so D is my, you see, the choice of the number is very important. So it's going to be 8 over 4, which is going to be 2. So I need to see if it's possible to get minus 1. So this is why 8 I switch from 8 to. Alright, next here we have star. So they told me that to find out what the value of 8 star star. So I'm going to start with the first expression, which is inside of the parentheses. So it's going to be a plus 2 minus b star, and this is the whole x, so it's going to be 2 minus a plus 2 minus b. You see, I substitute x by this expression here. Now I distribute the minus, so it's going to be 2 minus a minus 2 plus b. The 2 cancel out, so it's going to be b minus a, which is the first answer. Last question. So I'm dealing with the same expression. So x star is 2 minus x. Here they ask me to solve for x using these equations. So we have 2 minus x star equal x minus 2 star. Like I told you, I'm going to substitute this x by 2 minus x. So I will have 2 minus x. Now I substitute this x by x minus 2. So it's going to be 2 minus x minus 2. Now I distribute the minus here. So it's going to be 2 minus 2 plus x. And here I will have 2 minus x plus 2. So this is cancelled out. Add x both sides. So 2x equal 4 divided by 2. So x will be 2 and my answer is C. So I hope you got the idea about how to solve a question related with defined function or defined operation. So please, if you have any comment about the video, do so. It will help me improve my way of teaching. Thank you for watching the video and Assalamu alaikum.